じゃあ半分で。
おばあちゃんクラス。
今日はお好み焼きを作ります。We are going to make okonomiyaki today.
Which is a Japanese savory pancake. The cat is excited. I don't know how to cook, so here's another one. I need to learn Japanese style pancake. Here we go. Or heated, what is this called?
What is that? It's a pan.
It's like almost like a wok.
Is it on?
400 degrees setting.
400, yeah.
Alright, first step is?
The first step is flour. Maybe 1 cup, 1 egg.
1 cup flour, 1 egg.
And
Sounds like pasta.
Water. 3/4 cup of water.
Mizu. Tamago. And what is flour in Japanese?
小麦粉。
小麦粉。小麦粉。
I will usually add bonito broth, but we don't have it. I'm gonna use chicken powder. Okay. And I will add cornstarch.
Lunch cat?
I will add usually sugar, but my son doesn't have sugar, so I add honey. And I will pour Okay, looks good. And then I will add chopped cabbage.
One of the main ingredients, I feel like, that you taste texture-wise in okonomiyaki. So how much cabbage to dough ratio?
Maybe 2 cups, maybe 2 cups.
About 2 cups of cabbage to 1 cup of flour.
Yeah.
She also thought I had flour and oil in my place, the standards, but I did not.
Doesn't have anything. I'll have to bring everything from my place. I usually use green onions, but I don't have any, so I will use chive. Chopped chive.
Now we are improvising a lot, but that happens in Japan with many different types of ingredients. So you can be creative and have fun with it.
Yeah.
Also, we're doing this because as a test, Obaachan looked up a general way of cooking okonomiyaki, and it was terrible on the internet. It was very runny, it did not work. So, yeah, we're on the internet too, but trust us more, man.
Yeah.
Was it an American website?
No, it was Japanese website.
Jeez, even worse, huh?
So I'm adding red ginger, pickled ginger. Oil. You don't have oil, so I have to bring it.
I have oil, but not the right one. So a little bit of oil over it. What kind?
Vegetable oil.
Vegetable oil?
Your paper towel.
Yeah, I have that. Got paper towels. Just a little bit of evening it out.
I think your table is cockeyed.
Yep, a little bit. So how much about that? A big old spoonful. Oh, so a couple spoonfuls. About the same size as a regular pancake, right?
Yeah. Okay. Topping will be beef.
Beef topping.
And how about bacon?
We have a bacon. So yutte again, what's the word for beef and bacon?
Beef is 牛肉.
牛肉.
Bacon.
Bacon.
When it turns brown.
You do a little peek? A little peek? Little peek sounds like a new rapper.
Yeah.
That should be your rap name. Little peek.
うんこ出た？大丈夫？
はい。美味しそう。
美味しそうね。
And when I was growing up, I wasn't actually the biggest fan of okonomiyaki. I thought it was really strange. Just because of the word pancake, I think threw me off mentally. Supposed to taste something different. I thought it was really strange. I wasn't into vegetables, and the cabbage threw me off as well. Typical kid and vegetables. But I love it now, and we should get some in Osaka. Upcoming trip, it's famous more in Osaka. One of the main delicacies there in takoyaki. Maybe, why is it those two? Because they're dough-based, right? Takoyaki and okonomiyaki. Is there something different in Osaka with the dough? But here you go. You have a nice char on top of the meats. Stick pretty well to the pancake. 美味しそう。本当に美味しそうですね。So pork is the most common topping, I believe, right?
Pork, shrimp, squid, octopus. Okonomiyaki sauce.
And what's it taste like? Isn't it like a Worcestershire barbecue kind of?
It's sweeter.
A sweeter.
And then mayonnaise.
The famous Kewpie.
Kewpie mayonnaise.
Interesting design.
And then I will
Looks like a
put,
Cinnabon.
Yeah. Bonito flakes.
So they always top it off with the strange dancing fish flakes. See if we can see that. And then the seaweed, nori.
Ao nori.
Ao nori.
Hi, 出来上がり. Finished.
Good to go.
Sauce first.
Sauce.
Sauce
We say sauce.
You can also get lost in the sauce.
We are ready to eat. Itadakimasu.
Even though it doesn't taste, you have to say good. Good. 本当に美味しい。It's crispy outside, fluffy, soft inside.
This usually gets hair in my food all the time, but the fish flakes, it blends in. So no big deal. Obaachan no ryori wa suki.
ありがとう。
Arigatoo.
じゃあ半分で。
Whoops! So is it normal to share food in Japan or no?
Hi, yes.
Oh, it is? Okay,
All the
good,
time.
good. When I go on dates, I want to eat their food. I don't want any issues. I have to try everyone's food all the time because I might never go back there again. Never know.
I don't know.
Arigatoo.
どういたしまして。doink.
That's how you say it for short in Japanese. You just say doink instead of doink dashimashite. Doink dashimashite. It's so long. We're changing the language. Arigatou. Thanks for watching Obaachan's class cooking version with Okonomiyaki. I know how to cook 2 things in my life now, maybe 3. And
何ですか
what was the other one?
たこ焼き。
Takoyaki. Forgot the other one. Anyways, arigatou.
どういたしまして。
arigatou. Arigatou. Obaachan for teaching me. Arigatou. どうも。どうも。どうも。どうも。arigatou. どうも。どうも。